Good morning, everyone. It feels like a month since we started the class. Well, in a way, we have now covered more than what we will cover in 2 months in a regular semester. We are now heading into the next to last week of the intersession. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when your assignments are due. They also appear on the Canvas calendar. Hope you are having a good weekend. We are entering week 4 of this very fast-paced intercession class. There are some items I want to call to your attention, so here we go. This week, the following assignments are due. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 4 is available Monday, January 20th, and is due Friday, January 24th by 11:59 p.m. Map Quiz number 4, Asia, is available Monday, January 20th, and is due Saturday, January the 25th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 3 is available Tuesday, January 21st, and is due Saturday, January 25th by 11:59 p.m. A few other reminders. Remember that in a fully online class, I take attendance by checking whether you have logged in or not. In this very condensed intersession, you must log in on a daily basis. Please read the instructions for the assignments carefully. The main reason why students lose points is because they don't follow directions. I am grading your assignments as they are posted. It takes a while, but I will try and keep up. I'm trying to make sure that first assignments are graded, so when you submit the next assignment, you know the expectations I have for such assignment. The intersection is very fast-paced for me as well. This is the nature of the intersection, a flurry of material and assignments in a short period of time. Hope you are having a nice 3-day weekend. Best, Samuel Cortez.